Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss an interesting topic, the trick on hybridization. If you know the trick on hybridization, you can crack your JEE very easily. So what I follow the trick is sum of valency electrons. That is a trick, that is the easiest trick. See, what are the valency electrons? To know the valency electrons, let's know how to know these valency electrons. As you know, in the periodic table, our periodic table is divided into four blocks, namely S, P, D, F. And this S block is further divided into two groups, alkali metals and alkali earth metals, whereas P block is divided into six groups, that is 3A boron family, 4A carbon family, 6A oxygen family, 5A nitrogen family, 6A oxygen family, 7A fluorine family, 8A noble gases, that is nothing but inert gases. And this D block is, there are no particular names for D block, that is for D block it is 10 groups, whereas for 14 groups are there in F block. Okay, now let's know how to find valency electrons for the particular groups. For the valency electrons in the alkali metals, it's a very easy, don't tense for knowing about the valence electrons to S block and P block. Just put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the valence electrons, right? And these are the two valency electrons are present in this D block and F block. This is the valency electrons. 3 valency electrons in boron family, 4 valency electrons in carbon family, and so on. 8 valency electrons in the noble gas. Now let's know how to gain the trick. Okay, by knowing this trick you can do your sums very easily. Now let me do this by taking the hybridization of NH3. N plus, that is valency electrons of nitrogen, plus 3 into valency electrons of hydrogen. This is, that is nitrogen plus 3 into valency electrons of hydrogen. Valency electrons of nitrogen group are 5 plus 3 into valency electrons of hydrogen, that is alkali metals, 1. Total 8. Here, when you did your sum of valency electrons, when the sum is equal or less than 8, then you just divide the sum with 2. 2 fours 8, which gives the remainder 0. So 4, that is sp3 hybridization. Why sp3 not sp2? Because here there is one s orbital plus 3 p orbitals, which gives the sum 4, that is this 4. Okay, now let's do by taking another example, BeCl2. Be alkali earth metal 2 plus 2 into chlorine, fluorine, chlorine, which is 7, a group. So 7 equal to 2 plus 14, which equal to 16. This 16 is greater than 8. Right, this 16 is greater than 8. So just divide that 16 with 8. Okay, here 2. So 2 is Sp. That means 1s plus 1p, which gives you 2. Thus 2 is this one. Okay, now let's do this by taking another example, ions. Okay, let's do this. Let's take a ion like H3O plus. Okay, 3 plus, 3 into 1 plus oxygen family 6. 6. Here plus sign is there, so just minus. If here is plus, if ion is positive, do subtraction, and if the ion is negative, we have to do addition. Okay. 3 plus 5 which equal to 8. So again it gives you sp hybridization. Okay. If by doing the sum in this process, if you get a sum like 27, then you just divide with 8. 3's 24. 3. Okay. Again just divide it with 2. 2 ones 2, 1, and again you just do with 2. You can't do, right? So you just add these 3 and 1. Okay. Now I'll tell you another example like XeOF4. Okay. Xe, which is 8, plus oxygen family 6, plus 4 into 4 in family 8 plus 6 plus 28. Just add 8 plus 6 14 plus 28, which gives you 44. Now divide that 44 with 8. 8 5s 44. Remainder is 4. So divide it with 2. 2 2s 4 0. So the total sum 5 plus 2 which equal to 7. That is sp3d2 hybridization. Okay. This is the easiest trick. I think if you know this table, then you can crack your JEE very easily. So I think now I can give you a molecule which you can test yourself. So your problem is PCl5, SF6, SO3 minus 2, CO2, H2O and H3. Let me keep serial numbers for your answers. Just answer me these 6 questions answers in the comment box and try yourself. You can crack your JEE very easily. All the best, and subscribe our channel and like, please, share. Thank you.